Hello, sir. How are you? Hope you're doing fine and okay. Well, I'm back. I just take my daughter to school, and my other daughter, before 1 p.m., I will take him to the school. Then I will silent live. But now we can talk if you want. If somebody there watching, just leave a message, then type a comment, ask question, anything, and I will answer it. By the way, that's a Voltas 5 mini action figure series 02. It's a very nice and very accurate Voltas 5 figure with his sword and also his articulated hands. Yeah, thanks for watching Aqua King 89, and hope you're all doing fine and okay. And at the same time, you also saw the marine life as my background to all the people there who love fish. More vibrant color with this crush. We gotta try all the filter here in my screen, then tell me what what is the best. This one is beam. The beam is it's pronounced the vibrant of the color. Oh! As you can see, Voltas 5. You see it's just the M shape red. It's God because it supposed to be, this is sword. Then we gotta try the the blush effect. This is the blush effect. So we're gonna choose which filter is the best. Then other one is the pop. The pop is also really nice. It's pronounce all the details, all the color. The cross. This is the cross. The cross. No. It's the pop or the cross. The pop. Well, we're gonna try the pop, the cross. This is the pop. If I choose beam and the pop, they're all more vibrant color. It's state all the what you call it, vibrant color. Then we're gonna try the cross one. The cross one is a little bit mild color. It's also good, better than the glow. Let's see what's the glow state for us. Yeah, and the glow is like the natural. It's like the natural. As you can see in the natural form, when you're not using a filter, it's just like a original color. As no filter with my eyes. Then we're gonna, that's the glow. Then we're gonna try this on a slate. The slate is it's a black and white. Yeah, it's a classic. I love it. I love that color. It's the classic form. It's black and white, but the black and white of this is like a portrait. Like the portrait. As you can see, the bubbles. You can see the bubbles of the aquarium. The little bubbles here. They're very nice.